Hello everyone, today I have a review of another German knife, this time from the Wolfgangs company, model Virum. The box contains a black wipe with the manufacturer's logo, a lot of leaflets in German language, and the knife itself with the sheath. The sheath has a form of a case into which you can slide the knife in, made of black leather with a belt or pocket clip. Now let's go to the knife. Total length is 22 centimeters, blade length is 9.2 centimeters, blade thickness is 3 millimeters. The steel of the blade is 440C. It's a high carbon stainless steel, tempered to 57 HRC, kept its sharpness quite well. Clip point blade, black coating finish, but there is also versions with the satin or stonewash finish. The manufacturer's logo depicting a wolf's head with the letter W. On the other 440C. Opening with nail nick. Back lock. The handle scales are made of green G10, but black G10 is always available. The knife fits well in the hand. Profiled handle increases comfort during work. Stainless steel ferrules with black coating. Hole for paracord. In summary, very nice knife made in Germany, carefully and well made, no imperfections or blade play. The back lock works smoothly, nothing jumps here. Hassle-free opening and closing. 440C, so it's okay, stainless steel and good sharpness. I have a great fondness for this type of knives. Backlock, clip point, so very classic, but in this case also modern in one piece. A really great knife. That's all this review, thanks for watching.